I'll show you how you can get free items on Shein. Now, the way we're gonna do this is gonna be something called a free trial. Basically, how we're gonna do this is that they're gonna send you a free item, and then in return, they want a in-depth review about it. So you get item, and in return, Shein will get a in-depth review, and thus boosting their trustability, right? So if you want to get to this part, you just have to Google Shein free trial like this, and then you want to scroll past some of these, right? So scroll past this, and then you want to find the one that's called Shein UK, and then you want to tap on free trial center like this. Now on here, you can this is what it will look like, the free trial center. Now in progress right now, there's a couple of things that you can get for free, right? So for example, this dog outfit, a bag, a couple of things. It looks like a hat, I think, and then a couple of women dress here as well. So if you want to get any of these, so for example, if I want to get these purse, I just have to tap on free trial now, and then I'll be prompted to sign in or register. If you're already signed in or register, then you can just tap on continue, and then you just have to go through the process of getting the item.